How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Honda HR-V. Pretty easy door panel to take off. Honestly, it's probably the easiest one I've ever taken off. So if you've never took off a door panel, do not worry. This thing is, all there is one screw. All you should need is a plastic pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we're going to go ahead and pop our window switch. I just kind of start at the top, kind of wedge your little plastic pry bar between the two, kind of work around. And it's just one little switch we have to unbuckle. Go ahead and pop that out. Then we're gonna make our way over here. You don't necessarily have to take this piece off. It's just one less thing in the way. So just kind of stick your plastic pry tool in it, kind of wedge it in there, pop it out just like so. When we took the window switch off, you're gonna see one screw. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Alright, now that we have our one screw out, we can go ahead and pop the door panel off the door. Once again, grab your plastic pry tool, kind of find a gap in between the panel and the door, wedge your plastic pry bar in there and just kind of pry out. You're going to have clips all around the entire door panel, so just kind of work your edges. And then once you get to the top, the door handle will stay behind. Make sure your wiring harness for your window switch is kind of tucked in. But you don't have to worry about the door handle. Now you just have like either 3 or 4 clips up top. Just kind of pry them ever so slightly. Kind of like so. And voila. So there's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. We'll go ahead and take our window switch out first. Once again, put your plastic pry bar in there. Kind of weasel it all the way around. You're going to have 2 harnesses on this one compared to the one on the rear. Just kind of pop those free. They're just little push tabs, kind of like so. Go ahead and grab our one screw out. Alright, now that we got the screw out, we can go ahead and pop the door panel. Just find your little gap. Once again, just kind of work your edges. And we'll go ahead and pop the top. There it goes. So voila. On the top, you're going to have a couple of these green clips that just kind of pop into here. So that's what I'm saying. You just have a couple clips all the way around the door panel. But that's how you take off the rear door panel and the front door panel on a Honda HR-V. Thanks for watching.